When I'm done talking, you just say, so be it, and that will be confirming what I said. Sound good?
No, it doesn't sound good.
Here we go. All right, and the easy part's done.
Do we want to get the picnic table on too?
Okay.
And you grab the stop, you grab the...
Like you got to hide once or twice.
You guys are nice and dry.
I can't get it without.
You can...
Let it go.
We gotta get this side though.
Nope, that didn't work. Nope, nope,
You
nope.
gotta do both of them. Right?
Can't use that.
I have to change. I have to put another one on. What was that other bungee at?
The yellow one was there.
Sneak attack.
What are we making, chillins?
Stromboli's, yes.
I've never had a stromboli.
Me either.
Like a rolled up pizza.
Burr. Like it.
That's what editing is for.
It
Makes her job harder.
All right,
so.
we ready? When I'm done talking, you just say, so be it, and that will be confirming what I said. Sound good?
No, it doesn't sound good.
Come on, man.
Can I have a split second to think about it? Yes. Okay. Then yes.
I swear to keep this meeting happy and joyful and frith, keeping in mind kinship and the love that we have for each other. So help me pray, Njord, and the Almighty Asa.
So be it.
Split second.
Didn't even erupt all over the place. That's probably one of the most perfect pies I've ever made.
Huh?
That tastes just as good as it looks, too.
Mushrooms, spinach, black olives, and we added shredded chicken because even though it tasted good as vegetarian, it would be so much better as chicken. We also brought hammer sauce.
I did, which is spinach, kale, cabbage.
With poppy seed dressing on the side, or whatever dressing out of the fridge you want.
The gods are certainly ready.
Harry, all Father, Harry, all Father, all Father Odin. Harry, all Father, Harry, all Father, all Father Odin. Harry, all Father, Harry, all Father, all Father Odin. Odin. All Father, Father of man, and King of the gods. We ask that you join us here at Summel, that you hear our words, that you hear our praise of you and your kin, and that you hold us to our oaths and keep this in frith and happiness. Hail Odin.
Hello.